Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to show you what are the stocks which forms a candlesticks reversal pattern, then how we find out such a great trade informations based on the candlesticks pattern that I'm going to discuss here right now. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. And those who already subscribe my YouTube channel, I was thankful to you all because of we are doing a lot more and even we are daily increasing our subscribers. Thanks to you all to make the subscribes about my YouTube channel. And we already created a candlesticks patterns, and based on that candlesticks pattern, today we are checking about what the stocks were filtered. So this is what the single candlesticks reversal pattern where there is a doji, spinning top, hammer, shooting star, doji at top and doji at bottom. So we are finding out all this, and the scanner will help us to find out very easiest way to get the most filter out the stocks and getting what exactly what we need to do. That was given by the charting scanner right now. So based on the single candlestick reversal pattern, we find out that a spinning top at the top, one is Apollo Tyre and Axis Bank, and Doji at top, that is Bajaj Finserv. Let's check that Apollo Tyre, where yes, it's exactly forming a spinning top and is a big candle. The price is rejected in upside as well as rejected by the downside. Market closed nearby the opening price, looks like a spinning top. So based on this spinning top, whenever market above that level, we are going to bullish. Where there breaks below the level, we are going to bearish. So the risk for the trade is almost 9 rupees for the gap between the high and low price. So having higher risking, right? And second one is Axis Bank, which forms a again another that doji kind of a spinning top kind of candlesticks pattern that forms at highest level. There is another opportunity in Axis Bank based on the spinning top candle where it is forms. That is the level where we marked here the day high and the low should act as a good breakout entry point. Okay, and then Bajaj Finserv. Let's go to Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv is forming a doji at top, and where you are checking that previous trend is keep on going up, there is a movement upside and the price is immediately rejected and exact doji which forms. There is a good reversal pattern on Bajaj Finserv whenever it breaks the level of high and low. So we are marked the range of Bajaj. So it looks good. This one we may focus if the tomorrow it breaks below the level, we can go for trading on that particular stock. So that's about only three stocks which we have: bearish meeting line, bullish meeting line. So we don't get any stocks. Only three stocks we got five based on the single candlesticks reversal pattern. Hope you got it. And the double candlesticks reversal pattern, there is a lot of stocks were forming a bearish engulfing pattern. Adani Port, Aarti, and Federal Bank, Shriram, Coal India, Bandhan Bank. And black inside out daily, that is Coromandel, and no other stocks were filtered. And this is what a dark cloud cover. So we got some more stocks, bearish engulfing as well as dark cloud cover. Shriram Transport, SBAN, RBL. So that is the forms a dark cloud candlesticks pattern. Let's check this. These are the double candlesticks reversal pattern. And Adani Port, Shriram Transport, Adani Port. Yes, that forms a what is the first one is bearish engulfing. Yes, it looks like a bearish engulfing. It is open above the high and it is engulfed. This is a bearish engulfing where it is forms. The body of this previous candle is engulfed by this today's candle. So there is a another one, but it is looks like a big high, high and low. So we may avoid that to take. And RTAA. This one also with perfect engulfing pattern, but is the big one. 930, 960 to 915. So high risky. Let's take the second one, Federal Bank, Shriram Transport, Bandhan Bank, Coal India, SRT. Perfect. Shriram Transport having the perfect engulfing pattern. It is opened above previous high and closed below previous low. So even if it is a more stop loss, so we may be getting the reversal entry at this. Whenever it breaks below this level, we will go for a short, and whenever it breaks below above this level, we can go for a. So while if you are checking, this is the perfect bearish engulfing pattern where it is forms on a Sriram transport that will give you such a great opportunity whenever it breaks below the low as well as high. So we will focus these stocks for a next trip from next trading session onwards. And Coal India and Bandhan Bank. Coal India, it's not looks like, because previously is a doji like that, and again it broken that, and looks like a evening star, but not good, right? But it must be open below, so that is not looks like a evening star. The engulfing pattern, but not convincing. Okay, and Bandhan Bank looks good on Bandhan Bank, where it is 300 to 280, almost 15 points down. Previously the stock moving down, so there is a good engulfing pattern which is forms in a Bandhan Bank. So this is the level for a Bandhan Bank. Okay, should we focus this level on Bandhan Bank by tomorrow because of bearish engulfing pattern, right? And then dark cloud and the Coromandel black inside out. Coromandel black inside out. Just a second, Coromandel. Yeah, perfect. But it is not a high liquid stocks. Just a second. So let's just a second. Coromandel, it is previously is going down, but it is not a good liquid stock. But if you are going to focus, you can focus it out inside out, downside, right? Inside out up. So we don't get it any inside out up. And dark cloud cover, we see a lot more stocks. Why it is happening here? Credit and we dark cloud cover pattern, Adani Port, RBL, SBI and Can Bank. So let's go for RBL Bank. Dark cloud cover, there is a wick on that, so perfect dark cloud cover. But if the doesn't have the wick, so it's even more powerful. SBI and having weak and dark cloud cover pattern, high risk because 2 candlesticks reversal pattern. We should focus these 2 candle high and low to enter Can Bank. Already we seen that Can Bank not good, and Federal Bank, PNB low value stocks, SBI and RBN, Adani Ports, already seen Adani Ports based on engulfing as well as dark cloud. So not good. So only few stocks we are finding out based on the candlesticks pattern that may working very well. And double candlesticks pattern, that's it. And triple candlesticks pattern, that is evening star, and the 3 black cross, Sun TV, MGL, and jet sector. 1 2 3, just keep on going down. Sun TV, that is also 3 black cross forming. If it continues below that level, so we can focus it, and if it is forms any white candle by tomorrow, it converted into rising 3 method. Okay, so we will wait these stocks for forming any pattern. And MGL, so Sun TV we can watch for MGL, it's going down. So if this forms any big candle at this point, we will find out a 3 inside out. So that's it. And now 3 white soldiers, HDFC Bank, 3 consecutive upside. Let's see, HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, 3 white soldiers, 1 2 3, right? And finally the one is Manappuram forming evening star candle pattern. So that is more powerful candlesticks pattern where it is forms. There is a big green candle and the doji spinning top. Next one is gap lower, and this is what the sell entry point where we can focus the sell entry with the stop loss above this level. And this looks a good pattern where it is forms in Manappuram, that is a evening star, that is a sell reversal that was happening at the highest level of this month. And previously it is not trading very well, but from 210 it will fall down to 157. After that it is tracing a retracement and it is very flat, but now there is a 3 candle reversal pattern may be working very well. So we will focus below sell and we will keep the stop loss above that. This looks good on Manappuram. And finally we are going to focus the continuation pattern So in continuation pattern, we find out a lot of Havels, Polycab, Exide, and Indigo. Let's go for a Indigo. Indigo, I think yesterday it moves well. Yesterday it's big, and if you are taking entry above that level, you should keep the stop loss below. There is a big stop loss. Avoid Polycab, Havels. Polycab looks good, and the spinning top, and it broken. And even if it is breaks above the level, even we can expect more bullish on Polycab. And Exide, Havels also looks good when it is breaking above this level. So we will mark that as we will focus Havels. This looks good, and this is a continuation pattern, right? This is the continuation pattern where the trend is upside. Even if it is breaks, even we can expect more. So because it is not a reversal pattern, it is a continuation pattern. We are focusing here right now. It is a continuation pattern. And Exide and Nestle. Exide, it moves at the starting of the month very big. After that gap up, Exide, it's not moving very big, so it is very lower level. So leave it Exide. And Nestle, don't go for the Nestle. And separating line, bearish, Gale and Pfizer. Okay, it's moving down. So if you want to take below that level, sell, and the stop loss should be there above 6,000. And Gale looks good. When the Gale is broken below the level 153, we can go for a short with the stop loss of 159. So that's about our previous day candlesticks reversal pattern. So we find out some 3-4 stocks is good to focus. So from if you got entry opportunities on this stock, you will try to trade, and with the help of this charting scanner. And I hope this may be useful video for your tomorrow's trade. And thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.